Welcome to the channel. Dynamax Global Family Reunification in Portugal allows non-EU residents with a valid residence permit to legally bring their family members to live with them. Who can apply for family reunification? A sponsor must be a non-EU citizen residing in Portugal legally with a valid residence permit, TRC, holding a permit valid for at least 1 year. The following family members are eligible: spouse or legal partner, minor children, biological or adopted, dependent adult children, if studying in Portugal, or with disabilities, dependent parents of the sponsor or their spouse, with proof of financial dependency, minor siblings under guardianship. In some exceptional cases, required documents for family reunification from the sponsor, resident in Portugal, valid residence permit, TRC, valid passport. Proof of income, last 3 months of salary or contract, bank statements, IRAs, tax return, proof of accommodation, rental contract, property deed, or housing certificate, criminal record certificate from Portugal, declaration of responsibility for dependent family members, proof of legal relationship with the family member, see below, from the family member abroad, valid passport, recent passport-sized photos, criminal record certificate from the country of origin, translated and legalized, apostille, birth certificate, for children or dependents, marriage certificate or proof of stable union, if applying for spouse, partner, proof of dependency, for adult children or parents, such as bank transfers, affidavit of dependency, proof of studies, if applicable, paper club. Step-by-step application process. Step 1. Gather required documents. Ensure all documents are updated, translated, and legalized as needed. Step 2. Apply to AMER, online or in person. Log into the AMER portal or book an appointment. Submit the application for family reunification. Attach all required documents in PDF or original form. Step 3. Await approval. AMER will evaluate the application, usually within 60 to 90 days. If approved, an official letter is issued for family members to apply for a residence visa at the Portuguese consulate in their home country. Step 4. Visa application at consulate. The family member applies for a temporary residence visa for family reunification. Once granted, they have 120 days to enter Portugal. Step 5. Arrival in Portugal and TRC application. After arriving, the family member must schedule an appointment with AMER. They submit biometric data and receive the temporary residence card, TRC. Stopwatch processing time. AMER approval, 60 to 90 days, may be longer in high volume. Visa from consulate, 30 to 60 days. TRC issuance after arrival, 30 to 60 days. Pushpin. Important note: spouses and children under family reunification receive equal rights to work, study, and access health services. After 5 years of legal residence, family members can apply for permanent residence or Portuguese citizenship, if other criteria are met. If the sponsor's residence is revoked or expired, the family reunification status may also be affected. Polygamous marriages are not recognized under Portuguese law. Check mark. Final checklist requirement needed. Sponsors TRC and income proof. Check mark yes. Legal proof of relationship. Check mark yes. Legalized foreign documents. Check mark yes. Accommodation in Portugal. Check mark yes. Criminal record. Family members. Check mark yes. Visa application via consulate. Check mark yes. Conclusion: Portugal's family reunification policy provides a clear legal path for non-EU residents to reunite with their families. While the process involves detailed paperwork and consular procedures, it offers full residency rights and integration opportunities for family members. Proper preparation, legal documentation, and timely submission are the keys to a successful application. Thank you for watching this video.